The Locus Coeruleus is the size of a grain of rice, and by age 40, it has already lost up to 30% of its neurons in most adults. This single blue speck in your brainstem releases nearly all the noradrenaline your brain uses to focus, and once those cells die, they never come back. A 2024 Stanford imaging study tracked 312 adults and found Locus Coeruleus degeneration began in the late 20s, silent for decades before memory slipped. By the time a doctor notices, 60% of the structure is already gone. New one drops every day. Subscribe so you don't miss tomorrow's reveal. The disturbing part: high stress accelerates the loss, and modern stimulants mask it instead of stopping it. Elite performers, like fighter pilots and chess grandmasters, use deliberate silence and